I just would like to go back to the previous discussion between Representative Tino and the good sponsor about the unprogrammed funds. May I just be clarified? Because as I have understood that unprogrammed part being a special purpose funds are lump sum appropriations. Can I be clarified on that matter?
Let me clarify my statement earlier, Madam Speaker, Honorable colleague. The UA unprogrammed appropriations is a lump sum fund, pero meron po siyang specific purpose that is identified under the NEP or the GAA.
Okay.
Tama po, Madam Speaker, Honorable colleague.
Salamat po. Aking pangalawang concern, may I just be clarified kung ano po yung relationship between the Office of the President and the Metro Manila Development Authority? I have understood that MMDA is an attached agency of the Office of the President.
Madam Speaker, Honorable colleague, the MMDA is under the executive offices, not directly under OP, at yung head po nito ay secretary level.
Opo.
At meron po sila, if I may, Madam Speaker, Honorable colleague, meron po silang separate budget, yung ahensyang ito.
So it's a cabinet position.
Yung head po nito,
MMDA chairman is
the chairman is secretary level. Secretary rank lang po.
Pardon?
Secretary rank ang ating chairman ng MMDA.
Okay.
But not a part of the cabinet.
Before it's under secretary level, now it's already secretary level.
Tama po yun, Madam Speaker, Honorable colleague.
Okay. Salamat po. In this case, Madam Speaker, distinguished sponsor, I move that we terminate the period of interpellation of the proposed budget of the Office of the President.
Majority Leader.
So move.